Tired of digging through cluttered cabinets to find matching lids? Imagine a food storage system that not only keeps your kitchen organized but also adds a splash of modern style. The Rubbermaid EasyFindLids in Skylight Blue does exactly that. This limited edition color, created in partnership with interior design influencers Chris Loves Julia, transforms your everyday storage into a sleek, space-saving solution you'll actually want to display. What sets EasyFindLids apart is its smart design. Each lid snaps securely to other lids or to the nestable bases, so everything stacks neatly together. No more lids falling out or searching for the right match. The modular system lets you customize your storage, freeing up valuable kitchen space and cutting down on clutter. Plus, the vented lids on the 3C, 5C, and 7C containers reduce microwave splatter while safely letting steam escape, making reheating meals hassle-free and mess-free. I've used these containers myself, and what really stands out is how effortless meal prep becomes. You can cook a little extra, freeze leftovers in these BPA-free containers, and have weekday meals ready in minutes. Cleanup is just as easy, pop everything in the dishwasher, lids and all. It's convenience and style wrapped into one trusted Rubbermaid product. Whether you're stocking your first apartment or upgrading your kitchen gear, the Skylight Blue set is worth a look if you want to stay organized without sacrificing aesthetics. If that sounds like your kind of kitchen upgrade, this limited edition EasyFindLids set offers a simple way to elevate your food storage. With its unique color, smart stackability, and microwave-safe vented lids, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Try it when you're ready to bring order and a touch of style to your kitchen.